There is a place colder than space itself. When we think of space, it seems incredibly hot. Stars, plasma, supernova explosions. But the most amazing thing is that the universe has a way of being colder than anything else. It's so cold that the laws of physics start to behave strangely. In 2003, astronomers discovered an object with the official name Boomerang Nebula. At first glance, nothing special. The remnant of a dying star, located about 5,000 light-years from Earth. But it turned out to be the coldest known place in the entire universe. The temperature inside the Boomerang Nebula is minus 272 degrees Celsius. For comparison, the temperature of the vacuum of space is about minus 270 degrees Celsius. That is, this object is colder than space itself. And that already sounds like a paradox. How can there even be anything colder than emptiness? The answer was frighteningly simple. At the center of the nebula is a star that literally blows itself out into space. It's losing mass at a colossal rate, faster than any other known star. The gas escaping expands so dramatically that it cools to almost absolute zero. Physicists call it adiabatic cooling. But here the strange begins. The Boomerang Nebula should not last long. It is calculated that such an extreme phase lasts only a few hundred years. In cosmic terms, a moment, and that means we're observing an object at an incredibly rare moment in its life. If we had looked up at the sky a little earlier, he wouldn't have been there. A little later, it'll be gone. And that raises a troubling question. How many more of these brief, extreme states are happening in the universe, and we just don't notice them? In 2013, ALMA confirmed the temperature measurements and added a new detail. The shape of the nebula was not accidental. It's symmetrical, like the flow of gas was directed by something. Scientists suspect there may be a binary star or a massive companion in the center that affects emissions. But there is still no definitive answer. The most intriguing thing is that the Boomerang Nebula disrupts our understanding of the end of star life. We thought stars died through heat, explosions, and light. But here it's quiet and cold. It's not a disaster. It's a slow, almost imperceptible fade. And if there is a place in the universe that is colder than the emptiness itself, so we still don't understand its boundaries well. It's not just temperature, but also temporary, because perhaps the most important events in the universe. It happens very quickly and very quiet,